Hello, Instagram. How's it going? Welcome to Club Live. And we're so excited to bring you another episode of Club Live. Hi, Ash Parmar. Welcome. Hi, Monica. Okay, so we are back with yet another episode of Club Live, and we are very, very excited to bring you this. Club Live is a 30-minute live where we bring you an expert, a makeup artist, or an influencer from the world of beauty and makeup, and they share their tips, tricks, and fantastic hacks with all of you. So we are very excited, and I'm going to wait for some of our viewers to join in, and I'm also going to be adding our guest expert. So let's see. I'm finding him. Okay, so how's Saturday night going? Please tell us how you feel. How's the weekend been so far? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Abhishek.
Hi, Rishita. How are you?
So good. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
How's it going in Pune?
Amazing, yeah. It's going great.
How's the weather?
Cool.
Do you recommend this weather for great hair?
Not really. Not
Awesome.
really.
That's exactly why we are bringing in today's episode. Today's Club Live, the topic is a very cool one. Abhishek here is, firstly, I'd love to introduce Abhishek. Abhishek is beauty expert with Air Black. He's someone who goes live with us on Air Black every weekend almost, and he teaches us makeup tutorials in a 2-hour long do it together session, right?
Right.
Yes. So thank you, Abhishek, for joining us. And Club Live, the topic is how to curl your hair using a straightener. Super cool.
I hope all are excited.
Can't wait.
I know. Interesting.
So Abhishek, before we even get into this, why don't you tell us a little bit about festive season, grooming? What do you think we should do for our hair? Especially it's the bridal season. How should we be taking care of our hair to make sure that it's long and strong and always shiny? Let's start with that.
Yeah. So firstly, I guess there's so many people who are excited and people are texting me on my DMs as well, as I can see. Like they want to attend today's session. So that's amazing thing.
Hey,
so starting
okay.
Yeah. So starting with giving some tips and tricks related to hair. So basically starting with the brides. So because I am more into bridal makeup these days. And so guys, I would like to suggest that all the brides or all the bridesmaids or who are going for a wedding function and who want to do hairstyling or any sort of like styling to your hair, see to it that you always use shampoo before doing any sort of hairstyling, and see to it that your hair are dry and they have no moisture. So for an example, if you're doing a makeup, so what happens is we cleanse our skin, and then later on we put moisturizer, we put primer and all that stuff.
Sorry, I think you were stuck. I think there's a lag, but you're good now. You're back.
Yeah. So I'll repeat again. So I'm saying that for example, if any bride or any bridesmaid or groommaid want to do an hairstyling before any function, so I would always recommend to always do your hair shampoo at least twice, and don't use conditioner on your hair because conditioner will leave moisture using shampoo. And before that, once you are done with your shampoo, see to it that your hair are super dry. Like it has to be no moisture in that, because usually whenever you do makeup, you cleanse your skin, you make it dry, you neutralize it, and then you people usually do it, right? So it is as equal when it is for makeup. It is as equal. You should always see to it that your hair also plays a vital role when it comes to grooming, especially for this festive season, because you are so busy doing so many work, so people tend to leave sweat, especially in the scalp area, and then usually you tend to lose moisture, and that is how your curls get open up, or maybe at times you don't feel like, okay, I don't have a great hairstyling and stuff.
Got it. So tip always start with clean hair. Super. Abhishek, before we get right into it, I'm also going to be taking a couple of questions. Okay. So one of the questions was, how do you curl your hair? How many times can you curl your hair without really damaging it? Do you think heat causes damage? This is by one of our members, Swikriti. Can you answer
Okay.
this for her?
Okay, great. So basically, what it is, you don't have to use heat every day. Okay, to be frank, like you have to, because any you are giving some external, heat, or you're giving external, you can say, some treatment to your hair, which is temporary. But you see to it that you always you are careful with when you're using any sort of treatment or hair products, because that will help you to not make your hair more frizzy, or you tend to lose oil to your hair also if you use more machine. So I would always recommend, if you're using machine or any sort of heat, see to it that you're using heat protector before starting your hairstyling, or any
Super.
sort of, like, using machine or straightener or curling tong, anything.
Got it. Speaking of straightener, of course, we're going to jump right into the topic for today.
Right.
Are we ready? Should we show our viewers how do you use this cool hack?
Yes,
How
sure.
to curl your hair?
Right. Amazing. So, guys, I have this machine from Iconic. This is a professional Iconic machine. So, many people, they have a confusion, like, how do we actually, use a straightener? So, I would always recommend. So, you have to check the plate of the straightener. If you people can see, this has a titanium plate. It is written here. It's a titanium plate. Titanium plate. It means that your hair won't get damaged even after using a straightener, or you use this straightener as a curling also. So
Oh,
this is the main tip, that you can buy a straightener which will help you not only to curl your hair, but to also straighten your hair. And if not, you can also use this to pleat your sari. So all the
oh,
festive season, so whosoever will be wearing sari, so you people will know that you can nicely do platings of your saris as well, not only hair.
lovely.
So this was our tip and
Purpose.
trick.
That's
Yeah.
nice.
So
Yeah.
now we will be starting with our hair, like how do you curl your tongue. Obviously, guys, we won't be able to do entire hair, so I will be showing you 2 to 3 sections on both the sides, so you people understand how do you do on the left side and how do
Hmm.
you do on the right side. It is very
Okay.
much important to understand which side how the curl is going to be rotated. So you have to always understand when you're using a straightener. Many people, they don't understand how do they do it. So we
Hmm.
have a model out here whose name is Ankita, and she will be helping you out and me to show how do we use the straightener. Cool.
Love.
Are you all excited?
Very. Let's bring in Ankita. And while you're at it, I'm also going to be reading a couple of comments while you all just set up. So,
Sure.
Shali here wants to know, will you be saving this live? Yes, Sweshali, we will be uploading an IGTV right after. So don't worry about that. Hi, Ankita. Thank you for joining us.
So we
We
have Ankita today on our live session, and I will be showing you how do you tong your hair for this festive season. And so we're using this titanium plate from Iconic company, and this is the best Iconic machine to use for professional use also, and also for any sort of treatment. So if any people wanted to keratin, aqua, curling, straightening, you people can use this. So this is a multi utility product and best investment equipment. Cool. So now we will be just doing her hair partition into 2 sides, just to show you how do you do your right and left side together. Okay. So as you can see that she already has some natural fall on her hair. So how do you tong your right side? Always remember, whenever you go with your right part of your face, this part always have to be at an outer position. So whenever you tong that hair, you have to always tong your hair in outward direction and not inward. If you have your haircut, so many people have this confusion whether you have to tong your hair outwards or inwards. It wholly depends upon your hairstyling also when you go for a festive season, because this is usually this kind of hairstyling is usually done when you go for a party, or you get ready for any sort of function, some family function. So that will help you, and even for like weddings and stuff, you can do that. Right now, the using of this titanium, why do we use this titanium? This, after using this titanium plate, it leaves a texture on the hair. it gives you a nice protein effect texture. Many times whenever you use heat or machine, your hair tends to become dry, or they lose
Right.
that shine on the hair. So this
Yeah.
plate doesn't do that. This plate will help you to keep this, to maintain the pH of your hair and to balance the entire structure and the styling of the hair as it is. Okay. So now doing this thing, I am starting with the upper portion. Take very thin sections, not too big a one. First, you have to compulsory. How do you hold the machine? You have to hold the machine like this. So if this is your machine, your entire palm is covering your machine. That is why they have given. अगर आप ऐसे पकड़ोगे वो गिर जाएगा, and then you'll lead to some doing another, ironing and straightening of the hair. So don't do that. So always remember, hold your machine like this, and then you use it like this, just like a clip. Many
Got
people
it.
they have habit holding like this. इतना नाजुक कलाई से करोगे तो then it is done. Then you're sorted with your festive function also. Cool. So guys, you have
Okay.
to hold your machine like this, and then you see to it the way I'm doing it. The trick is not to the main technique is how to hold the machine. The technique is not to do the curls. Many people they always do this mistake. They don't focus more on hands. They don't focus more on what is my kind of styling of doing it. Many people
Yeah.
focus okay straightener है तो straightener से घुमाना है. घुमाना नहीं होता है वो कैसे घुमाते हैं, that is the main part what you are learning.
The
Cool.
hack.
The
Yes.
hack, exactly. So we are going to straighten this bit because there's a front section. If you can see, I'm just straightening this part a bit, and then you put this machine and you just twist it all around completely.
In the
Okay.
outward.
Yes, in the upward direction, and you just slowly take this out and just keep rolling this entire section. How do you roll your hair in a conical tong? And then you can just see
Wow.
you
There you
get
go.
this nice flowy
Uh,
tongue of hair.
That's
So
gorgeous.
the same thing goes downwards. You again take this, you put this tongue, and always remember if you want to do this side, so always the machine has to be downwards. So your hand has to be at the up part and the machine has to be at the down part. So always see to it like this, and you roll it. And then you slowly, don't be in hurry because this is straightener, it will take time. So once you come to the end, always remember, if you want to put that side, always put your finger like this and just roll this tongue.
Sure. Ooh,
So this
lovely.
rolling part is so important.
Yep.
Cool?
This definitely looks really nice.
Yeah, thank you.
Abhishek, you make it look super simple and very, very easy. But tell us something, and also one of our viewers wants to know, if someone has curly hair, should they be straightening it first completely and then going for curls, or can they straight away head to curling?
No, so guys, always see to it that you wash your hair without shampoo, then you blow dry them, and then you do that. So that
Got
will
it.
help you to, lead this perfect tongs. Can you see the
Beautiful.
difference, guys?
It looks lovely.
So we are
Every
going
first
at this side as well.
comments, what you think about the hack, what do you think about this technique? And I would love to take a question now from one of our viewers here. Misbah here wants to know what's the temperature of the machine that
So the
you're.
temperature of the machine is 230. They have different temperatures. So they have 210, 230, 190. But we will be using 230 for doing this curls. But if you're doing straightening, you can always go for a temperature which is lesser than this. So guys, you can see she has nice bouncy curls without a curling machine. So whosoever have these machine at your place or any sort of straightener, you can surely use it, and you people can tag us on Instagram by
Yep.
adding both the portals Air Black Beauty and Makeup Artist Abhishek, and let us know whether this tip or hack was helpful for all of you for this festive season. So
Oh,
I
yeah.
hope guys you people liked it.
We are loving it. Absolutely loving it. This is really, really. So, one of our viewers here, Aishwarya, says this is really, really cool and useful. Absolutely agree with you, Aishwarya. And also, Abhishek, taking a couple of more questions. But before we do that, I would love to tell our viewers that if you all enjoyed this cool hack and if you're loving it, you're going to love Abhishek's sessions even more on Air Black Beauty on our
Thank you
platform.
so much.
What you need to do is head to the link in the bio of beauty.airblack. just head to the link, click on the link, and go subscribe and apply. And somebody from the team will reach out to you. Lovely. Okay, time to take a couple of questions, please.
Done.
Now, one of our viewers here wants to
So
know.
we would like to thank our today's model, and I would like to, come on board now so I can help you with all the questions and I'll answer the same.
Yep.
So guys, thank you so much, Ankita.
Okay, awesome.
Great.
Thanks. I'm going to take a question now, Abhishek. One of our viewers wanted to know what hair color would you recommend this festive season? What's hot, what's not? Tell us.
So basically, hair color, if you people want, I would suggest to go for any shade which is more towards honey and brown together. So a mixture of honey and brown would help you to get the perfect shade, because that really complements all the Indian skin tone, and that will really give you, a more teener and a more youthful look. And in that, if you people want to go for highlights, you people can always add a bit of blonde shade into that, which is the caramel shade usually is used for all the hair treatments.
Super. Aarti Rana here wants to know, what do you do for split ends? Could you please suggest some home remedies?
So guys, to be frank, for split ends, you have to trim your hair. Many people, they have this problem. I am aware about it. Many of my brides also, they face this problem. But guys, if you're not trimming your hair, at least trimming doesn't mean that you're shortening your length of your hair. No, you have to always see to it, after a month or maybe two, you have to trim your hair near about half inch or 1 inch of your length. Then only it will help you to grow. Many people, they think, अरे मेरे बड़े बाल है तो अभी मैं ट्रिम करूंगी तो क्या हो जाएगा, छोटे हो जाएंगे. But अगर आप ट्रिम ही नहीं करोगे, if you don't give that mechanism to your hair, how the hair are going to grow? It's a natural process. Even if you do any sort of chemical treatment, some hair packs or anything, you have to always go for it. And if I can see many people have this thing for frizzy hair. So guys, I would always suggest to go for a protein treatment. So you have 2-3 treatments. So the best treatments, many people, they suggest you smoothing. So I don't suggest smoothing. To go for any sort of protein treatment, I will always recommend to go for keratin treatment or aqua treatment. These treatments will help you for your hair growth. These treatments will help you for getting rid of these split ends. These treatments will help you to get a natural flow to your hair. And you don't even have to, like, once you use these straighteners or machine for any sort of festive season, they will last long for that. So I feel you should
Awesome.
always try to go for a protein treatment. That can be keratin or aqua.
Okay. Coco here wants to know, do I go for grey? If yes, which shade of grey should I go for? And could you please suggest a hair color for dusky skin? I hope you're talking about dusky skin, Coco. Please
Yes.
comment and confirm. Do you really want grey hair, Coco?
I
not
think,
sure.
Coco, your name is Coco, so you should go for brown and not grey.
Brown is the color of the season for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us know, Coco, and we will confirm this for you. Besides that, Abhishek, I'm also going to take up a few questions here from our viewers and viewers who want to know
Sure.
for dandruff.
I have another hack for guys as well. As I have told that, there's a surprise for all the guys on Instagram too.
Oh, yes.
Fun has to be for both guys and girls, right? The festival is for both the genders.
Festivals are all inclusive. But shall we
All
take this
inclusive.
question before we hop on? Should we
Yes.
answer what to do for dandruff this winter season?
Yes. So guys, for dandruff, you have to jot one thing down. I will be giving you a super hack and a nice hair pack which you can use at least twice in a week. So guys, you have to take one onion. You have to take 2 tablespoons of curd. 2
Okay.
tablespoons of curd. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera. Because aloe vera will help you to lead towards dryness, and that is how you can get over with your dandruff, and that won't last long, so that it won't leave that moisture to your hair. Okay. And you can add like half slice of potato in that, and you can mix it in a mixie. And who
Oh,
are non-vegetarian, guys, you can add egg in that. And who are not non-vegetarian, you can always keep as it is, the same
yeah.
remedy which I have told. So you have to massage that pack all over your hair till your tips. You tie it up and you keep it for 30 minutes. Compulsory, you have to keep it for 30 minutes. Once you keep it for 30 minutes, you have to wash it out, and you can see you will get nice hair structure also, and your scalp will also, you will feel better once you do that. So this is usually a hair pack. And if you want to go for an oiling remedy, you can always, I always prefer onion, because onion is the best product to use on your hair. That helps you to get rid of dryness, that helps you to get rid of any sort of moisture also. It helps you to always balance your pH of your hair, right? So that is
Lovely.
why you can take two slice, you can cut two slices of onion, you can put that in coconut oil, and you can just heat that coconut oil and put camphor in that. Camphor matlab kapoor jo hota hai. So you can just crush your camphor, and you can just add into that entire mixture of oil. And you have to apply you can say a bit of not too like hot, but like you can say, like just not too hot, like midways.
Warm. Lukewarm.
Warm. Yeah, loose warm. Not even warm, I can say. Between warm and hot. So you
Yeah.
should feel that heat to your scalp.
Yeah.
Wherever your dandruff part is there, you should feel that heat. So that will help you to get rid of that.
Awesome. And also, is this for both men and women? Is
Yes,
this
yes, yes. This is for both men and female, both. Both.
got it? Venu here wants to know, does permanent curling damage hair, and what are the
Perm-
alternatives?
permanent.
Does permanent curling damage hair, and do you have any alternative for curls without heat?
Guys, I would always suggest don't go for permanent curling. Permanent straightening is also not there. Many people just say permanent straightening matlab smoothing hota hai. It is nothing is permanent. If a human being is only person who is permanent, everything is temporary on this. Even we are temporary on this world. So guys, if you want to go for an permanent curling, which is usually called as pumping, which you make tangy curls, I would not recommend that, because that will damage your hair, and you at times you get bored of those curls hair. Many people, that is why many people keep it natural. So whenever they want straightening, they go for a straightener. Whenever they want tong, they go for tong. Whenever they want frizzy nice hair, so even you can go for that. Every time you can't be in those curl hair, right?
Superb.
And what was the second question? Some heat, the same.
Yes. She also wanted to know, is there an alternative to do curling without?
Yes, yes, yes. Without heat. Nothing is alternative without heat. So if you can't cook a chapati without heat, that is how you can't do curls without heat. You people might have seen many hacks that you have to tie those spoons, and you
Yeah.
people have to put those ropes and you tie it up. Guys, that won't give you that flawless. That will just give you nice messy hippie look. So if you want that, you people can always do that. Whenever you wash your hair, just blow dry them, and you can add those. Ropes to that. You get tying ropes, or rollers also you get. But even for the rollers, you have to apply heat. There's
Got
no
it.
alternative. You have to blow dry, and then you get that heat, and then you set it there.
Sure. Also, I'm going to pick up like a few last questions before we wrap. So, Abhishek, would you suggest any inexpensive hair straightener for this hack? Anything which is inexpensive? One of our viewers wants to know.
So guys, for this hack, I always tell all my students that there's nothing expensive, there's nothing economical. Anything you use, your hand, your creativity will really stand it out. So don't really worry, like whether I'm using an iconic or I'm going for any economical brand. But you can also go for Philips. You can also go for VNG. VNG is another economical professional brand which you can use. So if people don't want to use iconic, you can go for V and G. V and G.
V
So
and
that's
G.
another. Yes, yes. And shampoo for hair fall. Always see to it that guys, you use shampoo which is sulfate free. Any shampoo which has sulfate free, you people can use it. That's the best for your this.
Perfect. Thank you, Abhishek. Um, More Punk. Hi, that's a cool Instagram handle. She wants to know what hair color brand is the best. Okay, so for all our viewers who have joined us a little later, the topic for today is Abhishek showed us how to curl your hair using a straightener, which was a very cool hack. We'll also be uploading the IG shortly. But the topic for today is hair. So if you're putting your questions, please make sure that you're asking questions.
It's hair related. So guys, for after keratin, many people are asking you keratin. You have to use shampoo which is sulfate free, but the brand which you can use is Luxus. Luxus, Luxus. Luxus is the best professional brand to use after keratin. Now I have a surprise for all the men and boys and guys for this festive season. I will be showing on myself how do you blow dry your hair, because I've seen many people or many guys, even I get bored at times. It's just all shabby hair, and then you people don't understand how do you groom up your hair, right? So I will be showing on my hair how do you usually, blow dry. Actually, my hair are already in good structure, but we'll just spray a bit of water. So I'll show you how we can roll them and how we can create good volume to your hair. So I hope all the guys are also excited, and whosoever girls are there, you people can do this styling part to your brother, to your dad, to your husband, to your friends, everybody. Cool.
Let's do it. Let's see.
So I am using again Iconic dryer. This is the best dryer to use. So this has 3 teasers. So this is for cool. So whenever you want a cool air, so whenever you have cool, like whenever you want to blow dry like in a cool temperature, you people can press this. But they have like these 1 and 2 buttons here. So the upper button is usually used for heat. Like in case if you want like a medium heat, you can go for 1, and if you want like a super hot heat, you can go for 2. And the below button is for the power of the fan. So if you want 1, 2, 3. So if you want a low power, like low air to be blown out from the blow dry, so you people can use 1, then 2 and 3. But I usually keep it 3, and I usually keep it 2 for men hairstyling. So I'm using this water spray. This super cold, like. So this is how I look without setting my hair out there.
Keeping it real.
Yeah. So this will be real me before makeup and before hairstyling. There's no makeup, there's original skin. So guys, now we will be starting to blow dry. So usually whenever I come out of my bath, or all the guys who are out there, so I would like to suggest first you people can start just blow dry. If my voice is not audible, see to my hands and see the way I'm doing it. That will help you out. So I'm using this both the on. Cool. So you can just blow dry till you get rid of water stuff and you get your moist hair out here. Then I'm taking this roller. So for all the guys, they have this problem. I have these 2 kind of rollers for all the guys and also for girls who do blow dry for your brides and for yourself. Guys, what you usually do, if you can see, this roller doesn't have bristles. They are pokey, right? And this have a small studded kind of thing on its top. So always remember, when you want a perfect bounce in your hair, or if you want to lift, always use this comb and not this. Many people do this major mistake to use this and not this, and that is why you lead to miss your baby hair out here, and then you realize, okay, salon mein ho raha hai, but hamara kyun nahi ho raha hai? Salon mein, if you go or if you do from professional, they also always use this for a basic blow dry to get rid of these hair. And for this, it's just for styling purpose. So I'm using this roller. I'm starting from the left part of wherever my haircut is there. So for all the guys, always remember your haircut plays a very vital role. So always see to it that this is my partition of my hair, right? And I'm just going to put this comb downwards and I'm going to push it upwards. So this is how you lift your head. Can you see this tension out here? So the tension here, you have to blow dry your hair. And always see to it that you are going to use your dryer like this and not like this. If you use like this, you will tend to burn the scalp. So always see to it that you're using, because then you have air to pass through. You have air to pass through. So I'll start doing now. So see, you have to lift, just give volume. Lift and give volume. And comb. So you have to lift, comb and volume. Lift. Can you see that shine is there?
Yep.
Shine is coming up. Then the same thing goes here. Lift, comb, lift.
Love.
You have to lift first, lift, then comb, and then blow dry. So the technique is
Oh,
called as lift, comb, blow dry. So for
um,
all the guys who are there, so it is again lift, comb, blow dry. So it is lift, comb, and blow dry. Blow dry as in just straight blow dry. And then you can completely just blow dry your hair simply like this. Just see to it that this part is always clean. And always see to it that you're giving nice tip. I'm using this spray from Taft just to see to it that my hair will be intact, right? So I'm just spraying on the tip. Don't
okay.
spray on the scalp. And always see to it for all the girls and guys whosoever are doing hairstyling, any sort of hairstyling that can be bun, messy braid, these hairstyling, always use your spray near about from 1 feet. So can you see? It's very far. Many people look this close. Don't do that.
Lovely. That was a very useful hack.
And this
Okay.
is how I groom up myself for this festive season for all the guys.
Straight out of a commercial. Lovely. So for everyone who's asking us to save the live, definitely you have it. We will be uploading the IGTV version right after this live. But before we split, I would love to thank Abhishek. Thank you so much for
Thank
coming
you.
us on Club Live and showing us a really cool hack. Um, and for all our viewers who want to attend more sessions with us on Air Black and come on board for more of Abhishek's sessions, just hop on to the link in our bio and subscribe, and we'll reach out to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
So,
Thank you for
guys,
joining.
I would like to wish everybody in advance Happy Diwali, and we are a number of tutorials coming up this festive season for all the beauty influencers and lovers on our beauty.airblack with XX Abhishek Nimbalkar, and I will be sharing all the tricks related to makeup and hairstyling, which is another new concept on Beauty Air Black, where we will be focusing more on hair as well. So if you people have any sort of questions related to hair, that can be your treatments, haircuts, styling, you people can DM us, or you people can DM our Air Black team, and they will get back to us very much sooner. And thank you so much for today's session, Rishita and Air Black platform, and
Thank
all the Instagram people who have attended this session. I would like to thank each and everybody for taking out time and seeing this, productive session of today. And I hope I see you all for next live tutorials. Thank you so much, guys. Lots of love.
thank you. Happy
Thank
Diwali,
you.
everyone. See you. See you. Bye.